So I just passed my 16-month lock update, so we are at 1 year and 4 months, and y'all, I have not retwisted since April. I've washed plenty of times. Today is finally the day. I believe it's like the 20th or something, so it's been more than 4 months since I've had a retwist. But I'm just going to show y'all before and after, and I'm also doing a retwist video for today, so check that one out as well. Let me just take this bonnet off, you guys, and show you guys what my locks are looking like. My baby's first time being unleashed this morning. I just woke up, so let's go ahead and shake him out. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. Okay, yeah, so y'all, I'm just ready to get this on and over with because I know better, and I keep doing the same thing every time I don't retwist. I always tell myself, like, yeah, I'm gonna go in here and separate, and I don't do jack. I just wash my hair and moisturize, and that's it. I don't be separating nothing, so this always happens. So obviously, for those of you who always ask me, does it hurt? For some people, yes, it's really bad. For me, obviously, it don't hurt that bad because I'm not learning my lesson, so it cannot hurt that bad. That's not to say you should be doing this. You should be at least separating, because anytime you got to go in there and pop locks, pull them apart, you're causing stress to the lock. You know that. You wouldn't like if nobody just came and pulled your arm off. Like, you wouldn't like that. So no matter how you put it, I'm sure it's not really good for it. Bottom line is I need to stop doing it. If I'm going to keep going without a retwist, which I am, I need to be separating my locks, okay? So I'm gonna do better next time. So that's what we're looking like for this 16-month update. I'll be back to show you guys what we're looking like in a little bit, okay? See y'all. Okay, you guys, so it is the complete next day, and my locks are completely dry and all retwisted up. It's actually looking pretty good. Yesterday I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling this. You know, I wasn't, because I just got used to the no retwist look, but it looks pretty good. Oils and water only, so looks pretty freaking good. Here we are, 16 months, and my babies are looking good, doing good. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you for the next video.